Good morning, teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Priyanshu Kesaria. Today I am going to play a role of Bhagat Singh. Bhagat Singh was a prominent freedom fighter in the independence movement. He was born on September 28, 1907 in Punjab, India to a Sikh family. Bhagat Singh's dad and uncle were freedom fighters, which inspired him to join the movement. He devoted his life into independence movement at the age of 13. He commonly called Shahid Azam Bhagat Singh for his sacrifice at a young age. He went by a slogan Inqilab Zindabad. He was executed on March 23, 1931. He was one of the greatest sons of our motherland. On 15th August 2008, the Parliament of India installed an 18 feet tall bronze statue of Bhagat Singh. We all are very proud and thankful to our freedom fighters. Jai Hind!